Hey guys, I am here today at the Dai Tsukemen Haku, a ramen festival here in Shinjuku, where normally everything is offered from illicit stuff to good food. And today, and for the next 3 weeks still, Shinjuku is one attraction richer, and it's this ramen festival. I've been here before, but I didn't film, and I got shoyu ramen with fried squid, and I got the tsukemen here in the second week. And I was told that the matsusoba are actually one of the things that you absolutely need to try. So I'm here again, and I'm giving it a try. So let's check them out. So that bowl was fantastic. The motsu, I think it's stomach. I'm not 100% sure. It's definitely innards. It's really soft. It's gooey, gelatinous. It has a little bit of texture to it, so you have to like chew on it for a while. But it's super good. You have to make sure you actually give those noodles a good whirl, because all the soup, all the like sauce, I have to say, is on the bottom. And I'm kind of sad that I'm only giving you this this recommendation here at the end of the second week, because you should have definitely tried it out yourself. Good thing is there's 2 more weeks to come. Every bowl is 850 yen, so it's definitely worth the try. The lines are super reasonable. It's my 3rd time here, and lines have always been reasonable. Maximum maybe 10 minutes of waiting. So yeah, why not come here? Try one of these ramen that you usually cannot get here in Tokyo. And yeah, that's all I have to say about this. And if you like my videos, click like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.